Hello everyone and welcome back to RamisaS channel. Do not forget to subscribe. This Banoffee coffee is so easy to make and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it.
To make Banoffee coffee, you would need banana, salted caramel. By any chance, if you do not have salted caramel at home, that's fine. You can use honey as a substitute. If you do not have honey, then you can use sugar and a bit of salt. Also, if you're using honey, use a bit of tiny pinch of salt in the drink. We would need coffee. I do not have the grounded coffee, which is why I will be using the cappuccino slashes, but if you've got coffee, the grounded ones, you can use those, or even normal coffee, you can. I'll be using double cream, but it's completely optional. You do not have to use the double cream, but I love when it's more thick. And then I'll be taking milk as well. So first goes in the banana. I've cut it into 3 to 4 pieces. Then I'll put the double cream, 2 spoons. I do this every day, so I know my quantity. But however, it's completely optional. As I said, you do not have to put a double cream inside this drink.
So next goes in the coffee. So I have taken 2 tablespoons of coffee and Coffee Mate, but if you're just only using coffee, then take 1 tablespoon of coffee. But if you're mixing it with the Coffee Mate, then take 2 tablespoons of coffees.
Then goes in the milk, and I'm gonna pour it all the way to the top. Then goes in the salted caramel. As I said, if you do not have caramel, you can use honey and then use a pinch of salt. If you do not have honey either, then you can always use sugar and then a pinch of salt. Only a pinch of salt. I love salted caramel, which is why I've taken 2 tablespoons of it. But if you do not want it to be too sweet, then you can take less than that.
Now I'm going to blend all the ingredients until it turns into a smooth drink.
You can see it's really nice, foamy and creamy. It tastes amazing. If you do not have a blender at home, you can use an egg beater to do this. All you need to do is smash all the bananas, turn it into a creamy paste, and then put all the ingredients, and then you just have to beat it with the beater, exactly the way you would beat an egg. And once it turns into a creamy, smooth texture, that's when you stop and your Banoffee coffee would be ready. So I hope you guys make this coffee at home and enjoy it as much as I do. And I'll see you guys in my next video soon. Take care and bye bye.